Jaspal. I'm director of Fenza Exhibitions, and we are organizing this Asia LabX exhibition, second time in Chandigarh. So this exhibition is basically focused on laboratory instruments which are used in various industries for testing purposes like quality control, analytical, and in various industries these instruments are going to be used for the testing purpose. So this is the second time, and this year we have more than 150 exhibitors, and we are expecting more than 5,000 visitors from here. And you can find every segment over there. For the laboratory segment, you can find glasswares, also analytical, chromatography, microbiology, and chemicals and consumables. So this is the biggest exhibition in this area in North India, which totally focused for the laboratory segment. So I hope this will be going to be a good exhibition for the visitors, and wish you all the best for, and thank you for all your media persons who came here. Thank you.
Dr. Birdi, I am a director of Primedium Pharmaceuticals, which is a group company of Apollo Tire Group, and I am very thankful to the all organizers to invite me over here. As we all know, India is growing in the pharmaceuticals, and as per our Honorable Prime Minister, we called as a world pharmacy. So this type of all exhibitions of a quality equipments always help us to build our product with the quality, and also to analyze R&D, and this will also help us to market our product in all over the world, whether it is a regulated market or a rest of world or Indian market. So I am really excited to see all the counters, which shows a very new technology, advanced technology for a quality control of all our formulations in the API we manufacture in India. Thank you very much.
Windlass. I'm founder chairman of Windlass Biotech Limited. It is a company in Uttarakhand. It's a public limited company, and I have been invited here to this inauguration, this kind of well organized exhibition of analytical instruments, and people from all over the India has come here, and for the benefit of the industry. This is pharma industry, chemical industry, and I have seen a lot of instruments and other accessories which are being displayed here, and very good manufacturers have come here. Mostly in the years earlier, all the instruments used to come from abroad, and now it's being made in India, and a lot of innovation has been done here, and it is in the benefit of the industry. Also, our technical staff had come here, a lot of companies there, and they are conversating themselves with newer methods, newer development of the testing methods. So it is so good for whole area of our here, from Uttarakhand, Himachal, as well as Punjab. We are benefiting from such exhibitions, and awareness is coming up. So I think such exhibitions will contribute a lot for us, and that's why I'm here, and it's very well organized, and to the international standard, I can say. So thank you very much for all the work to the organizer. I wish them great success. थैंक यू वेरी
जय भारत। मैं डॉक्टर योगेंद्र सिंह एज ए जीएम टेक्निकल एकम्स जंक्शन फार्मास्यूटिकल लिमिटेड। सबसे पहले मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा एशिया लैबएक्स की पूरी टीम को, स्पेशली जसपाल जी को, पूनम जी को, कि वो जो लैब से रिलेटेड एक्सपो हैं वो देश के अलग अलग कोनों में उसको सुव्यवस्थित ढंग से सुयोजित कर रहे हैं। जैसे कि आप सबको मालूम ही है, आज माँ भारती और भारतवर्ष दोबारा अपने खोए हुए जो तमगा है, जिसको बोलते हैं विश्व गुरु, उसकी ओर अग्रसर है। और अगर मैं आज बात करूं कि इंडिया 5वें पायदान पे है आर्थिक स्थिति में, और बहुत जल्दी ही हम तीसरे लेवल पे आने वाले हैं, तो उसमें फार्मास्यूटिकल सेक्टर का एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण योगदान है। और फार्मास्यूटिकल में अगर हम R&D की बात करें या प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट की बात करें, तो किसी भी सेक्टर का जो डिपेंडेंसी रहती है वो क्वालिटी पे रहती है, और क्वालिटी इस्टेब्लिश होती है इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन से। तो दोबारा मैं एशिया लैबएक्स के सभी अधिकारियों को शुभकामनाएं देता हूं कि वो इंडिया को जिसको आज विश्व की फार्मेसी बोलते हैं, उसमें क्वालिटी को मेंटेन करने के लिए जो इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन की टेक्नोलॉजी R&D और QC से रिलेटेड, क्योंकि क्वालिटी के बेस पे हम टिक सकते हैं, उसके लिए देश के कोने कोने में अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं। और इसी के साथ हम अपने जो स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज़ है या हमारी मीडियम स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं, उसके एनालिटिकल पार्ट को स्ट्रेंथन कर रहे हैं। उन्हें बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद एशिया लैब्स की सभी टीम।
Javed Imam, Senior Vice President with Aristo Pharmaceuticals. As you must be knowing, Aristo Pharmaceuticals is among top 10 pharma company in India with around 6,000 crore turnover. And to be honest, this LabX, Asia LabX, it's one of the best platform. I must congratulate them, the management and everybody else over here, that they are doing their 15th show over here. And this show is so successful, it has been managed so nicely, and is going to be so informative for the people over here, especially in North region. That's gradually I hope it's second in Chandigarh, yes, and gradually the way things are improving, it's going to be the lifeline of the people in North Zone. Thank you.
Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Yeah, about the event, this is very much successfully organized event by Danja and Lab Asia. So this is very useful for the users, technical persons, and the level of organized is very much higher international level. So this is useful for our industry, stabilizing Himachal, stabilizing North region. So thank you very much.
भगवान का नाम और ध्यान घर में रहेगा हर वक्त। सकारात्मक प्रभाव वेदाक्ष धूप बत्ती से। वेदाक्ष ज्योति सेवा संस्थान द्वारा अभिमंत्रित धूप बत्ती रोज, मोगरा और बेलपत्र की महक से लक्ष्मी का होगा वास। वेदाक्ष धूप बत्ती।